So this is a steam engine I built. It's not really steam yet, I guess, because I don't have a boiler for it. So it's just an air engine. You can power it by blowing into this tube right here. And I have two pistons right here that produce the power. This one here is the slide valve, so when the air comes in through here, it puts the air into either this one here or this one here, depending on which position the slide valve is in. These two pistons are offset by 180 degrees, and this one's 90 degrees right here off the other two. And you can see the end of it right here. I just have it's all copper and brass. And flywheel, I just had a wooden circle with some pennies glued onto it. Crankshaft was a clothes hanger bent, and I'll test it out for you. So yeah, that's off one breath of air. It can just go that long. And I'll take the slide valve off so you guys can see it. It's hard to get off. There we go. And so basically this is just a few pieces of brass, I think, or copper, I'm not sure. Brass, yeah. And there's a hole in the middle so the air can go through to the other side, and it goes back and forth, so the air goes back and forth. And yeah, that's my steam engine.